I love to watch you grow. Let me tell you all the ways I see you growing every day. You're smarter, stronger, kinder too. There's so much new that you can do. You care for things that you hold dear. You comfort them and keep them near. You've learned that teamwork makes life grand. It's fun to lend a helping hand. You're not afraid to make a mess, to play, to laugh, to try your best. Each day is a new chance to explore, learning, understanding, and asking more. You always try to do what's fair. It's kind the way you play and share. You make the world brighter with what you do and say. You choose how to help in your own special way. And if a friend is feeling low, you take the time to say hello. You don't give up when things are tough or when you feel you've had enough. You know that you're the only you. You know that you're the only you. Just you can do the things you do. The earth is big, so much to see. You strive to be all you can be. Your heart blooms so proud and true. It helps you blossom into you. I love you in rain, in snow, and sun. You're all my wishes rolled up in one. The seasons change. They come and go. I'll always love to watch you grow. Thank you very much for watching. I love to watch you grow. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.